One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator into a nightmare. That door is opening once again. This time, it's discover what lies beyond the fifth dimension, beyond the deepest and darkest corners of imagination, in the Tower of Terror.
No, I can't.
A warm welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning, something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel in the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.